Welcome back to Motor Pulse, the channel that brings you the most electrifying reviews of the world's most exciting vehicles. Today, we're diving into something massive, bold, and beyond imagination, the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. Yes, the brand known for power, dominance, and luxury has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and what they've created is nothing short of a futuristic beast on wheels. The 2026 Hummer Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a statement of strength blended with high-end comfort and cutting-edge technology. Let's begin with the exterior because that's where this giant first makes its mark. The design screams Hummer DNA from every angle, wide, aggressive, and unapologetically bold. The front fascia features a reimagined Hummer grille illuminated with a signature LED light bar stretching across the front, giving it a commanding presence even at night. The squared LED headlights are integrated seamlessly into the grille, and the muscular bumper design emphasizes the rugged off-road identity. The body panels are sculpted with sharp lines, and a mix of aluminum and carbon composite materials makes the structure lighter yet stronger. It's not just about looking tough, it's built to endure every kind of terrain imaginable. The size is astonishing, over 35 feet long and towering high with ground clearance that could put some off-road trucks to shame. The Hummer Motorhome rides on massive 22-inch all-terrain tires wrapped around forged aluminum wheels, making it ready to conquer deserts, mountains, and highways alike. The side profile showcases Hummer's signature squared silhouette, but it's redefined with aerodynamic touches that reduce drag. The retractable steps, hidden underbody protection, and an adaptive air suspension system all hint that this is not your ordinary camper. It's a luxury fortress that moves. At the rear, things get even more interesting. A fully integrated cargo module combines functionality with style. The rear LED strip and Hummer branding glow boldly, while the dual exhaust-like vents serve as cooling outlets for the electric drivetrain system. The vehicle even includes solar panels mounted on the roof for additional power support, especially useful during long off-grid adventures. The roof also extends into a panoramic glass canopy section that floods the interior with natural light, giving it a premium open space feel. Now let's talk about what's under the skin, the performance that sets the 2026 Hummer Motorhome apart from every other RV on the market. Built on a modified Ultium electric platform, this motorhome is fully electric and surprisingly efficient for its size. Powering it are dual or tri-motor configurations producing between 800 and a jaw-dropping 1000 horsepower, depending on the trim. Yes, you heard that right, 1000 horses in a motorhome. This translates to instant torque, enabling this massive machine to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. For a vehicle that can carry a full family, gear, and even a small living space, that's beyond impressive. The 2026 Hummer Motorhome comes with a massive 250 kWh battery pack offering a driving range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, depending on conditions and load. With GM's latest fast charging system, you can recover up to 100 miles of range in about 15 minutes. It also supports vehicle-to-grid and vehicle-to-home capabilities, meaning it can power your home or campsite for days. The off-road performance is equally mind-blowing. Equipped with crab walk mode, adaptive terrain response, and torque vectoring, it moves with the grace of a much smaller SUV despite its huge proportions. Whether it's sand dunes, rocky paths, or snow trails, this motorhome doesn't just survive, it dominates. The suspension setup features adjustable air ride and magnetic dampers that adapt instantly to road conditions, providing a smooth and stable ride whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating rugged landscapes. The steering system includes four-wheel steering for improved maneuverability, allowing the driver to handle tight turns more easily than you'd expect from such a massive vehicle. Hummer has clearly proven that luxury and power can coexist with eco-conscious engineering. Now let's take a short peek inside, because even though the exterior and performance steal the spotlight, the interior is where the real story of comfort unfolds. The cabin feels like a futuristic luxury apartment infused with Hummer's bold design. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by high-quality materials, genuine leather, brushed aluminum, and recycled sustainable wood accents. The driver's cockpit features a massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen paired with a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster that displays everything from navigation to battery performance. It's designed for total control and simplicity. Moving to the living area, the Hummer Motorhome offers modular seating arrangements, a smart kitchen unit, and a compact yet stylish bathroom. The seats convert into sleeping areas, and the use of space is remarkably efficient. Ambient LED lighting, climate control zones, and advanced insulation make it comfortable in any weather. The infotainment system is powered by Hummer's proprietary AI assistant, which can manage temperature, lighting, and even suggest routes or campsites along your journey. Connectivity is top-notch, with built-in 5G, satellite communication, and a surround sound system that turns your space into a personal entertainment zone. Every detail inside the Hummer Motorhome reflects innovation, from the retractable smart tables to the automated blinds and panoramic roof that can tint on command. It's luxurious yet purposeful, strong yet sophisticated. Hummer has truly engineered a masterpiece that brings the power of a supertruck and the comfort of a premium suite into one ultimate adventure vehicle. The 2026 Hummer Motorhome isn't just a travel vehicle, it's a vision of the future of mobile living. It proves that electric mobility can be thrilling, adventurous, and sustainable all at once. It's made for explorers who want to go anywhere without sacrificing comfort or conscience. Whether parked at a scenic cliffside or rolling through the wilderness, this Hummer demands attention and respect. So, what do you think of this all-electric powerhouse on wheels? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and tell us where you'd take this beast for your first adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Pulse for more in-depth reviews, futuristic vehicle reveals, and the latest automotive innovations. Thanks for watching Motor Pulse, where power meets pulse, and every drive tells a story.